Hi, I'm Hitomi. I'm a Nifty producer, and today I'm going to show you how to... Nope, don't know. Today I'm going to show you some easy upgrades for your small kitchen. So one of the things I've always wanted were floating shelves, and I rent a place so I can't really drill holes and make brand new shelves, so I decided to just take some cabinet doors off, put some contact paper against the wall, and give it new life. This is also a great way to show off my cute plates and bowls. It's really an easy project. I didn't have to really replace anything, and I got floating shelves. So when I took off the cabinet doors, I actually store them under my couch for the meantime, since I do live in a rental, so when I do move out, I need to have those back on. And because it's a peel and stick wallpaper, I could easily peel it off. It's really going to be super easy to handle later. I also changed the hardwares on the rest of the cabinets. Those are super easy upgrades that, really customized to the style I was going for. Another thing about my kitchen that I've always had a problem with was lighting. Anytime I was chopping veggies, I was only relying on one of the boob lights on the ceiling, and those don't do much. So these LED lights that you could just snap on to the bottom of your cabinet is so helpful. These LED lights come in a bunch of options. The one I got was a sensor detecting one, which is awesome for nighttime. I just walk in the kitchen, it senses when I'm there, and the lights go on. Along my stove top, there's just so much wall space, and I was like, how can I use this as a storage space? So I used some picture ledges and screwed those on. So I just lined it up with spices, photos, and voila, I got myself a nice little wall decor that also works as a spice cabinet. And it's actually a tip I got from my downstairs neighbor. So when hanging up this picture ledge, if you don't have a leveler, your smartphone actually has one in it, so I highly recommend using that. Counter space is super important for me in the kitchen, and having a dish rack, because I don't have a dishwasher, always took up so much space. And I bought this little rolled up dish rack that you could stick in your sink, and oh my god, it helps so much. Like, it makes me actually do dishes right then and there because I can't have dishes piling up. And now I have like a whole half a counter that's available. So whenever I have friends over and we have a party and the dishes just pile up, this dish rack in the sink actually helps just get everything cleaned out of the way. And if I do need sink space, I could just roll it up and put it under the sink, and I have more sink space. So this is a perfect weekend project. I just took out some cabinet doors, I had my paper ready to go, and it was really just reorganizing the space to make it look more open and big. So I highly recommend this to anybody that's like, you know what? My kitchen needs a little upgrade.